I wanted to share a few things I got recently, some from small shops and artists, starting with this handmade ceramic palette. And I got a little brush holder with it from a small shop on Etsy called Zucker Pottery. Another ceramic piece I got was this hand-painted throne on the wheel cup, and this one is from Bogan Pottery. I will add the links to all these shops below. And last but not least, also from a ceramic company, are these very cool brushes. They are from a company called Sugar House Ceramic Co. And I've seen a lot of artists post about this company. I am excited to try these brushes, and I need to get some materials for my humble studio corner. As you saw, I got some plants online. I'm looking for some smaller ones for my desk. So I'm going to head out to IKEA, Home Goods, and maybe Whole Foods. So let's go. IKEA.